name is Milena and I'm a student at the University of Toronto. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make raisins dance. By looking at some of the properties of raisins and of certain carbonated beverages, we can figure out exactly what happens to make these raisins dance. Here are the materials you will need for this experiment. Fill a glass with clear soda. Drop a few raisins into the glass. What happens? Do they sink or float? Then wait and watch what happens. You might need to wait a couple minutes for them to start moving. You can try this quick experiment again using different kinds of soda to see which one works best, or by adding different things to the soda. Some popular options are pieces of uncooked pasta, corn kernels, and lentils. Raisins are denser than the liquid in the soda, so initially they sink to the bottom of the glass. At the same time, the carbonated soft drink releases carbon dioxide bubbles. When these bubbles stick to the rough surface of a raisin, the raisin is lifted because of the increase in buoyancy. Buoyancy is the ability to float in water. When the raisin reaches the surface, the bubbles pop, and the carbon dioxide escapes into the air. This causes the raisin to lose buoyancy and sink. The rising and sinking of the raisins should continue until most of the carbon dioxide has escaped and the soda goes flat. Furthermore, when the raisin gets soggy and becomes too heavy to rise to the surface. You might like to try some other objects that exhibit this behavior. Any object whose density is just slightly greater than that of water and has a rough surface to which the gas bubbles can attach to should be able to dance in the carbonated soda. Some of the more common dancing substances are mothballs and pieces of uncooked pasta. Try putting other objects in the carbonated water and see what you find. Carbonated beverages are prepared by putting the beverage into a can under high pressure of carbon dioxide. This high pressure causes the carbon dioxide gas to dissolve into the liquid. When you open a can of soda, the noise you hear is produced by the carbon dioxide gas as it rushes out of the can. When the can is opened, the decrease in pressure allows some of the carbon dioxide gas dissolved in the liquid to escape. This is what makes the bubbles in a soft drink. Thank you everyone for watching. Make sure to try this experiment at home and tag Pueblo Science in your experimental results. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok for more content. And comment down below what you would like us to cover next.